back, guys. My name is Red. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, just get right into it. Over here we see Bitcoin's bear pull, some waving action. Bitcoin's currently in a descending wedge. When it crashed here, we made a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, then lower high. And then over here we got a higher low, showing a bit of a divergence on, a bullish divergence on our RSI indicator, getting two touches with our RSI trend. What else? With this higher low, our RSI indicator is actually matching Bitcoin's price action, so it's possible that we'll see some sort of breakout to the upside for Bitcoin. Looking at fib channels, 6,700 seems likely for this breakout if we do get the volume for it. The alternative to that is weak volume. We break down to the bottom of this trend with our previous low, and breaking that would mean a retest of $6,000. But currently, as it stands, I think Bitcoin has a better chance of going up right now. Take a look at our MACD indicator. So I was watching Bitcoin. Earlier we got a bit of a trend break here on the MACD. It looked like we were gonna get to the bottom of this Browning wedge, but we got some buy-side action coming in for Bitcoin. I did make another trend line, and if we don't continue going up from here, then we can probably retest this bottom of this Browning wedge with according to the MACD. But our long-term MACD is looking pretty good. It's still showing that there's some buyers coming in. I'm looking to see if maybe we can cross over this zero line so we can get some sort of acceleration. Maybe get that $6,700 I was talking about. Now let's move on to Ethereum. I'm gonna move myself real quick right here. That's exactly. Better. So we have our bear pull for Ethereum here, flagging action. Made a low, a lower low, RSI going up, then we made an even lower low with Ethereum price action and RSI. Kind of just going sideways right now. Our MACD, it's showing all these trend breaks. MACD looks like it's going to start going down. I want to see if we can bounce on this trend line right here on the MACD before making any serious trades for Ethereum. Alright, let's move on to Ripple. And of course, Ethereum is also in this descending Browning wedge. It really depends on Bitcoin because Ethereum always follows Bitcoin. Alright, we're back. So, looking at Ripple, I actually found this one a little interesting. Price action doesn't really seem to match Bitcoin's and Ethereum. Over here, we got a new low, a lower high, and then we actually got a higher low right here. But a bit of a double bottom for Ethereum right here. It's kind of trying to stick to this trend channel right here. I'm actually seeing this for, there we go. Yes. No, okay. Seeing this. This descending triangle for Ethereum. I think that we did get the touch over here. Let me extend this actually. That's not what I wanted. Alright, something like this, where maybe this bounce will probably take us to around 4,400 sats before dropping us off again, but I think it's a little too soon to tell. want to see if we can touch it 3 times. This is the second time. We'd have to break out of this channel right here. But it's looking like it wants to go to the next channel down. Let's take a look at the MACD for Ripple. Some trend breaks right here. We had an acceleration to the downside when we broke that. Found some support here, double bottom. Got a weak move up. And we had a MACD cross. Had a lot of downside action. Eventually we bounced up. I should probably add another extra line. Okay, now it looks like momentum's going down. The MACD wants to curve down. We'll have to see if we can break out of this triangle though. And aside from that, let's see if this trend can hold. It looks like it's trying to find some support right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you with the market leaders. I'll continue to update you guys if I see anything else so until then, take care guys.